Did you know tomorrow, Tuesday the 13th, is National Peach Cobbler Day? It's a delicious, peachy dessert that is easy to make. Keep watching for some cookbook recommendations and a simple recipe to whip this up at home. There are many recipes and a variety of cobblers out there, but these cookbooks each have a favorite recipe to offer. Be sure to check out the links below. These are all of the ingredients you will need to make a very simple and easy peach cobbler. Step 1 is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2 is to melt butter in a 9 by 13 inch pan. Next, you can mix together the required amounts of flour, sugar, and milk. Pour this mixture into the pan, and then spread peaches, including the syrup, evenly around the pan. The last step is to bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes until the crust turns golden brown. Let cool for about 10 minutes before serving. Do you top your peach cobbler with ice cream or whipped cream? Either way, serve warm and plant a generous amount on top. I hope you enjoy Peach Cobbler Day tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and follow MPL Adults.